Hi, what's up, free coin holder? So this video is going to be very urgent and very special for all free coin holder. And there is one main reason, my friends, especially this video is going to be urgent, because in last 7 days this coin is completely fell down, but in last 1 hour they take a very massive jump, and very massive jump, my friends, especially 5.83%. Oh my goodness, the price is increasing now, so I'm so happy to see this. But kindly holders, don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. Yes, let's get this coin, my brothers, but kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. My brother, this time the free coin is completely and the loss from previous 7 days, but in last 1 hour they starting moving upward now, so I'm to say happy, my brothers, to see this. But kindly holder, as you can see, my friend, this time the chart result is completely going to show you very poor now and very bad now. So what you do, my friends, especially tell me in a comment box, sell, hold or buy. My opinion is clearly, my friends, there to hold it, don't sell it, because after a short fails they will take a very huge jump now. So therefore I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to upcoming time they will give you very good profit. So hold it, don't sell it and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing. Thanks for watching. Free coin holder, please like this video and subscribe this channel.